We're now on Miami Mayor Francis Suarez talking about the end of his quarantine.
He's no longer testing positive for COVID-19, and Local 10 News reporter Christina Vasquez reports from Miami.
Miami Mayor Francis Suarez just wrapped up a virtual news conference. He was joined by Jackson Memorial Hospital ER doctor and Miami Fire Rescue's medical director, Dr. Paul Adams. This as Miami-Dade County Mayor Carlos Jimenez issues a new executive order.
As I come out of quarantine, I'm adjusting to a new normal.
Miami Mayor Francis Suarez marking the end of his quarantine after testing negative for COVID-19 with a virtual news conference hosted alongside Dr. Paul Adams, who said a peak in local cases is coming.
We will see a spike, and if the disease follows its normal process, at around day 7, people will get more shorter breath and then start to present to the hospital. And we're keeping a close eye on hospital availability, ventilator capability. We're looking at building out, should we need tent hospitals and facilities to care for other people, should we have a huge influx of people.
The mayor also positioning Miami as a leader in early efforts to stop the spread.
I want to thank our fire chief, who has done a magnificent job handling this pandemic from the moment he identified it during the Super Bowl and began ordering personal protective equipment to protect our firefighters. I want to thank our police chief for enforcing the curfew.
And spoke about a new testing site now open from 9 to 5 at Charles Hadley Park for seniors exhibiting symptoms. This is in addition to the testing site at Marlins Park and the city's in-home testing program for homebound seniors. Meantime, Miami-Dade County Mayor Carlos Jimenez plans to visit the temporary field hospital at the Miami-Dade County Fairgrounds later today. This is being set up as a precaution in the event area hospitals experience an overflow of COVID-19 cases. And a new executive order kicks in today. The county mayor closing common use amenities like pools, hot tubs, tennis courts, and basketball courts. Dr. Adams says Suarez's wife and kids did not get the virus. Evidence, he says, of the importance of social distancing and self-isolation as the county-wide safer at home message continues. County mayor is saying, however, that his new executive order impacting pools, while that does include things like condominium association, open areas of pools, he says if you have a pool in your backyard, you are still free to use that. In Miami, Christina Vasquez, Local 10 News.